Hello folks, I hope you're doing all okay today. And what I got for you today, I saw it on YouTube from Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and I kind of liked the idea. So I actually tried it last winter, and it actually worked. I grew my beefsteak this way, and my cherry tomatoes. I mean, cherry and grape tomatoes. And but what I did, I put it down the basement. It's supposed to put it in a dark place. And cool dark place. Well, the basement and the closet stays about 70, 75. So that it still worked. This time I'm gonna put it under the porch. She put hers in the crawl space. She said an Amish friend of hers told her this is how the Amish does it all the time. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. Let me get the tomatoes. I only got one beefsteak, and this is from the plant I done this way. So I'm going to use the same tomato here. And here's my grape tomatoes, same way. I done it that way. And it said, doesn't matter how many you put in there, what you do here, you get some dirt, clean dirt. I'm using this potting mix I had. And these things has holes in them too. They have a lot of holes, big holes in it. So what I do, I put them in a plastic bag. Okay. And I'm gonna do something different this year. I'm gonna put some seed starting potting mix on top of that potting soil. It should help the seeds get started. Okay, very important step to do right next before you do anything, before you cut anything up. I should have done this before I put dirt in it, but I can just write on this tape here. What you do, you write on the tape what's in what container. So let's put down grape. Tomatoes. That way you'll know what's in what. Okay, this one's marked grape tomato. Hope that stays on. And beefsteak. Tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to put this on this one. These are planters we reuse when you buy plants at the store. We just save the pots. Okay. Now, the grape tomatoes. What we're going to do, we're going to slice them. These aren't easy to slice. Then we're going to lay these in here. You see, you can stack them. Because what it's going to do, you get all this gel here with the seeds. You know, no seeds pop off of that one, but it got seeds in there. And that gel is a protectant of the seeds. And when it dries out in the spring, when you start watering it, they'll start taking root and walking and grow. It's a way to save money, not have to worry about buying plants all the time. We still do buy some plants. Okay. Yeah, see here? You see all these seeds here with that gel there? Yeah, that's going to protect the seeds into spring. So we're going to just dump them in here like that. Now you get like the round part, the back part of them, like this outer part there, make sure that's facing up. And one more. Dump all these seeds in there. That's what we want. And my last one, beefsteak, there was a great beefsteak planted with my, there was a great tomato plant planted with my beefsteak in the barrel. I think that was because I had the leftover on the knife and it went into the other container, but that's okay. And you slice these up like you slice up for sandwiches. That's all you do. There you go. There's the seed. I can say I didn't see a whole lot of seeds at first. And when I done it, I started watering it, this spring. I said, it looked like weeds coming out of there. And I started pulling something out and just left the rest in. Turned out to be tomato plants, actually. So that was my bad. So, see these seeds in here? There's a pile them up right there. Should have used a wider container or less dirt. That one don't have no seeds on it. This one here it does. Let's see if I can just slice this off here without cutting myself. But basically all you want is seeds. Anyway. We just put that in there. I'm going to throw that aside here. Make sure you scrape any seeds you see on there in there. I might have some grape in there too, who knows. Anyway. Okay. Now I put them in these plastic bags here because they got holes in the bottom of the container. You don't want them to fall everywhere. And this will pour all that dirt to stay in there. I tie up nice and tight. Put a little bow here. Like I said, I done it in the basement, but that's only 70, 75 degrees down there. But you got to have it in a dark place. These dark bays will help. You just don't want no sunlight hitting them. That's the way I done it last year. Then if you have to, you can put cardboard over to make it darker or something. It all depends if you got a cross space or not. We don't have a cross space. And I'm going to try it outside. We do get freezing weather around here. I don't think it's going to hurt it though. It was just put in a dormancy. Anyway, that's what I got for you for now. I'm going to put these under the porch this spring. Just keep watching this spring. And they said water it. Just keep it watered for about 4 weeks. You should see them sprouting up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I thank you for watching. Until next time.